Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm really excited to say that I have a set of the late model restoration amber taillights inbound. They're going to be shipped really soon. So these are the originals off of a 99 or an 01 Cobra, and you can tell because you're going to see the Ford logo here above the reverse light. And so the late model version is going to look pretty much similar. I believe it does have LMR stamped in one of the amber lenses, and so I'm really excited to get them in and put them in the car. I'll probably put one lens on one side of the car and the originals on the other so we can see them side by side and give you a good up and close comparison of them. They are not plug and play, so you still do have to wire them, so check the video description. I have videos on how to wire up the 99 to 01 Cobra taillights, and that's using the Cobra harness. So I'll look into getting some GT harnesses, maybe a video put together on how to do that. And they do offer a wiring kit as well, so make sure if you're buying the tail lights on late model restoration that you also get the wiring kit, or just check the videos that I put in and I'll show you how to piece together extra sockets from other harnesses and those kind of things. But shout out to Late Model Restoration for giving the customers what we've been clamoring for. I'm super excited to see how they turn out compared to these ones. And our Ambros, our community is going to grow with more amber taillights. So anyway, put in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll put a link in the description showing my full playlist on amber taillights and some of the history behind them and the wiring that's required to make them work on your 99 to 04 Mustang. So stay tuned for the updates, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.